Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you are good. I am Romila George, your maths teacher. Today our topic is numbers in words. Students, in previous class you have already learnt numbers in words 1 till 19. Today we are going to learn numbers in words 10 till 100. Students, let's do revision of previous work, numbers in words. Numbers in words, revision. O-N-E 1, T-W-O 2, T-H-R-E-E 3, F-O-U R 4, F-I-V-E 5, S-I-X 6, S-E-V-E-N 7, E-I-G-H-T 8, N-I-N-E 9. Students, this is your revision work. E-L-E-V-E-N 11, T-W-E-L-V-E 12, T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N 13, F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N 14, F-I-F-T-E-E-N 15, S-I-X-T-E-E-N 16, S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N 17. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N 18, N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N 19. Now we will start today's work, numbers in words. 10 till 100. Numbers in words. This is number 10 and we are going to spell number 10 T-E-N 10. Again T-E-N 10. 20, T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. Spell it again, T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. T-H-I-R-T-Y 30. T-H-I-R-T-Y 30. F-O-R-T-Y 40. F-O-R-T-Y 40. F-I-F-T-Y 50. F-I-F-T-Y 50. SIXTY 60. SIXTY 60. SEVENTY 70. SEVENTY 70. EIGHTY 80. EIGHTY 80. NINETY 90. NINETY 90. HUNDRED 100. HUNDRED 100. Students, if you will know the spelling of these numbers, you can write any number or number in words. For example, now here I have written some numbers for you and we will write the spellings or number name. What is this number? 34. Okay. Now just now you have learnt the spelling 34, the spelling of 30. So how you will write 34? First you will write THIRTY. And 4. FOUR. Students, you will always write the first letter with capital letter. You will start the first spelling, okay? And here you will use small letters. Now what number is this? Number 12. Do you remember spelling of number 12? Okay, say it with me. TWELVE. 12. Now, can you tell me what number is this? 59. Okay. What is the spelling of 50? FIFTY 59. NINE 59. Now here 67. SIXTY 60. Now we will write the spelling of 7. SEVEN 7. 67. What number is this? 25. TWENTY 25. FIVE 5. Sorry. 25. 80. EIGHTY G H T Y A T. I hope you all understood how to write the number name or number in words. It's time for homework now. This is your homework. Exercise 1. Write the following numbers in words. This is number 48. 25, 11, 53, 100 and 95. Students, when here is 1, you will write 100. Okay? What is the spelling of 40? F-O-R-T-Y, 40, E-I-G-H-T, 8. 48. You will write the spelling here. Okay? 25. What is the spelling of number 20? T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20, F-I-V-E, 5, 25. What number is this? 11. Do you remember the spelling of 11? Okay. E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. 53. F-I-F-T-Y, 50, T-H-R-E-E, 3, 53. Then this is number 100. So you will write 1 and 100. O-N-E, 1, and then you will write here 100. H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. 100. This is a number 94. N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90, F-O-U-R, 4, 94. This is your exercise number 1. Exercise 2. Fill in the missing letters to complete the number in word. Here I have written some spellings, number in word, but there are blanks. You have to complete these blanks to complete the number. 100. O-N-E-1, 100. H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. This is number 32. T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30, T-W-O-2, 32. 87. E-I-G-H-T-Y, 80, S-E-V-E-N, 7, 87. 69. S-I-X-T-Y, 60, N-I-N-E, 9, 69. This is number 15. F-I-F-T-E-E-N, 15. 43. F-O-R-T-Y, 40, T-H-R-E-E, 3, 43. Now this is exercise 3. Complete the missing numbers. Students, you can see here that I have written one number here and there is a blank. You will complete the number, okay? Like this is number 100, but I have written only 100 here. In the dash you will write 1. So then it will be complete number. 100. The number is here 29, but I have written only 20 and dash. Now what you will write in the dash? 9. N-I-N-E, 9. Here is number 41 dash 1. I have written number 1 here, but you will write here 40. F-O-R-T-Y, 40. 78 dash 8. 8 is written here. You will write number 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. Then it will be complete spelling 78. 78. You will write 78. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y, 78. 57. 50 I have written here. You will write here 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. This is number 33 dash 3. What you will write here? T-H-I-R-T-Y, 33. So you have to complete all this. Now dear students, you are requested any home task or activity given to you, solve it in your maths copy. When you resume your classes, marks will be given on the basis of home task or activities. Thank you students. Pray for your school and teachers. God bless you all.